All right, everybody, this is our last video for digital learning. I want to again thank you for all those that have continued to work and tried to improve your grade. I'm really proud of you for doing that. I know this has not been easy for any of us, but some of us have continued to do what we're supposed to do. So again, I'm proud of you for that. All right, so today we're going to talk about graphing parabolas or quadratics when they are given to us in what's called vertex form. And here is vertex form right here. Y equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. A still tells us the same thing that it told us when it was in standard form. It tells us, does it open up or open down? The h and the k tells me what my vertex is. But if you notice, I've got a negative h right there, comma, positive k. Guys, this is all that means. We're not going to get into this in great detail. All you have to remember is whatever my h is right here, I need to change the sign. And whatever my k is, I'm going to keep the sign. Okay? So, let's look at number 1 right here. Well, if you notice, my a in front of that parentheses, I don't see one. So it's really positive 1. So that tells me that it opens up because it's positive. My vertex is, remember, it looks like a negative 2 right here, but I'm going to change that to a positive 2. And then I'm going to keep my k the exact same. It's negative 1. So now I'm ready to graph. And like I said, this is just a sketch. There's a way to find other points, but we're not going to get into that during these digital learning days. My vertex is at 2, negative 1. So 2 on the x-axis, negative 1 on the y-axis. And it opens up because my a is positive. So that's it. Now we could ask you some more questions like how many real solutions does this one have? Well, it touches the x-axis twice, so that means it has 2 real solutions. But you don't have to do that on these. That's just something a little extra. Let's look at number 2. Well, number 2, my a is 1 again, and it's positive 1, so I know it's going to open up. My vertex is, well, it's negative 1 in the parentheses. When I pull it out, I'm going to make it positive 1, and then my k stays the same. So my vertex is at 1, 4. We know it opens up because my a is positive. And that's it. You're finished with that one. But now ask yourself, how many times does it touch the x-axis down here? And the answer would be none. So this one has no real solutions, or it has no roots, or it has no x-intercept. So just remember that. Again, you don't have to go into that detail on this worksheet you're about to do, but that's just a little extra for you. Number 3, well, my a this time is negative 1. So that tells me that my parabola is going to open down. I know that. It's going to be pointing that way. And then my vertex is going to be, looks like a negative 2 right here, so I'm going to make it a positive 2. And then my k is positive 1. I'm going to leave it 1. So my vertex is 2, 1. It opens down. So it's going to look something like that there. So that means it has 2 real solutions. Last one. My a on this one is negative 2, so that tells me it's negative, so it's going to open down. And my vertex is, well, it's positive 1. My h is positive 1, so I need to change that sign. My k is negative 2. I'm going to keep that sign, so that gives me negative 1, negative 2. It opens down. There's my x-axis. It's opening down away from it, so it doesn't have any roots. It has no x-intercepts, no roots, no real solutions. But again, excuse me, for your worksheet, this is all you have to do right here. Find your vertex. Don't forget to change your sign. Whatever your h is, that sign changes. Whatever your k is, you're going to keep that sign, and then sketch it if it opens up or opens down. Thank you.